Bane the Brave Bunny hopped through the lush, green meadow, his fluffy white tail swaying behind him. "Good morning, sun," he called out cheerfully, as the sun peeked over the horizon. One sunny day, Bane found a shiny, metallic object glinting in the grass. It was a key. Bane's heart raced with excitement. He had never seen anything like it before. What could this key unlock, he wondered. Bane hopped toward a nearby forest, where he heard a soft, rhythmic tapping sound. He followed the sound, hoping to find the answer to his question. As he ventured deeper into the forest, he noticed an old, rusty door hidden among the trees. Bane's heart pounded with anticipation. He carefully inserted the key into the lock and turned it. The door creaked open, revealing a hidden treasure chamber. Inside, Bane found a pile of golden carrots, his favorite treat. But that wasn't all. There were also books, toys, and many other exciting things. Bane was overjoyed. But then, Bane realized something. He couldn't possibly eat all these golden carrots by himself. He thought about all his friends back in the meadow and knew exactly what he had to do. Bane hopped back to the meadow, his basket full of golden carrots. His friends were amazed when he shared his treasure with them. They played, laughed, and enjoyed the golden carrots together. From that day on, Bane the Brave Bunny was known as a hero. He had not only found a hidden treasure, but he had also shared it with his friends. And they all lived happily ever after, basking in the warmth of friendship and the sweet taste of golden carrots. The end.